Let's discuss luxury shirts. And we'll focus, as always, primarily on construction here. Side cuts are available on the Finamore shirt, on the Luigi Borrelli one, as well as on the Zegna shirt. The execution here is pretty similar. When it comes to the cuffs, you're only going to find a handmade detail on the Luigi Borrelli shirt, which is a bar tag. The other two, Finamore and Zegna, feature no handwork at all. So that's a point for Luigi Borrelli. When we look at the placket and buttoning, Finamore pretty clean, but all machine sewn and stitched, which is fine at this price point. Then we look at the Luigi Borrelli one, and some buttonholes. The placket also has a lot more handwork, as you can notice from the slightly irregular stitching. You get also some bar tagging, which is, again, not present on either of the other shirts. Zegna, very clean, all machine made, nothing to complain about. Now onto the sleeves. We get a rotated sleeve on the Finamore shirt, which should be expected. Luigi Borrelli does the same thing here, as you can see. And the Zegna shirt, surprisingly, doesn't have a manica spostata. So in theory, this is going to be a little less comfortable, because the rotated sleeve is supposed to deliver just that, slightly more comfort. Then we look onto the collar band and the collar itself. Everything machine made. Nothing stands out at Finamore. The Luigi Borrelli shirt has a bit more detail. And what I mean by that, everything is tucked away a little bit better and folded over, and you're not exposed to any of the sewing. The Zegna shirt is in a very similar category, although you're not seeing any of the color interfacing. This side-by-side comparison makes it maybe a little bit more obvious what I was referring to previously. Anyone who gets the stitch density right gets a free subscription. So that's a little game we're going to play here. Then we look at the shoulder. Again, Finamore, nothing remarkable. We get a spalla camicia, this shirt sleeve, on the Luigi Borrelli shirt, and Zegna, same construction as the Finamore shirt without any ruffling. You're not getting a split yoke on the Finamore shirt, and you're also not getting one on the shirt from Luigi Borrelli. Now, a split yoke is odd to give you a bit more comfort when you're moving, but Zegna also opted against it, so you're also only getting a single yoke here. Now, in case you're wondering about the fabric of the Finamore shirt, this is a heavily washed and distressed shirt that came so by design, so I'm not going to compare fabrics here. But in terms of buttons, the Finamore one are very, let's call them skinny. I would say the Luigi Borrelli ones have about 0.5 millimeter more, and the mother of pearl buttons on the Zegna shirt are the thickest. Now, when it comes to ranking, the Zegna shirt is probably the one that's going to age the most gracefully, because it has a trofeo treatment, which means there's some washing and surface coating going on that makes it very silky smooth, and it only breaks down very slowly over time. So you're going to get a great wearing shirt that's lasting a very long time. Finamore comes at essentially half the price with pretty much all the same construction details, and it offers a very nice cutaway collar, so that's probably a good fit if you like something sporty. In terms of craftsmanship, workmanship, material choices, and everything, Luigi Borrelli takes the cake here, and that's also why it price-wise occupies the sweet spot.